2 months before the start of a high-profile sex trafficking trial that could potentially put Sean Diddy Combs behind bars for life, one of his top defense attorneys has filed to withdraw from the case. Attorney Anthony Ricco submitted a request to Judge Arun Subramanian, shedding light on internal conflicts within Combs' defense team, which, according to sources, is struggling with disorganization. It's turned into a complete mess. They're doing everything they can to avoid going to trial. An insider told Deadline regarding the defense team led by Mark Agnifilo and Tenny Garagos. Just look at their court filings. It's a desperate attempt to throw everything at the wall and hope something sticks. Ricco's request for withdrawal, filed on Friday, lacks specific details but cites protections afforded by the attorney-client privilege. In his filing, he stated that while he has provided Combs with high-quality legal representation, he can no longer serve as his attorney in a manner consistent with the American Bar Association's standards for criminal defense. Ricco emphasized that his departure should not delay the upcoming trial. Combs, the founder of Bad Boy Records, has been held at Brooklyn's Metropolitan Detention Center since his arrest on September 16th. Ricco joined the legal team on September 22nd, but despite multiple attempts, Combs has been denied release on $50 million bail. He faces charges of racketeering, sex trafficking, and transporting individuals for prostitution, with the trial set to begin on May 5th. Meanwhile, Combs has also filed a $100 million lawsuit against NBC Universal, accusing the company of spreading outrageous lies and conspiracy theories in its Diddy Making of a Bad Boy documentary, released on Peacock. Recently, just days after a civil lawsuit accusing Combs and Jay-Z of raping a 13-year-old in 2000 was dropped by the now-adult plaintiff, Combs' legal team accused federal prosecutors of using racist laws against him because of his status as a powerful black man. The U.S. Attorney's Office, formerly led by Damian Williams, has not responded to the claim. They should be focused on challenging the prosecution and the indictment, but instead, they're losing an attorney and making claims of racism. A legal insider commented, "It's not a good look. Definitely not a strategy." Representatives for Combs and Ricco did not respond to requests for comment. However, a source close to the case denied any turmoil within the defense team, stating that Ricco's departure does not impact the legal strategy, which remains intact under Agnifilo and Garagos. Judge Subramanian must still approve Ricco's withdrawal request, meaning he technically remains part of the defense team until a ruling is made. In another legal battle on Friday, prosecutors pushed back against a motion by Combs' defense to reveal the identities of victims and others involved in the case. In a letter to the judge, prosecutors dismissed the request as an attempt to delay the trial. On February 1, 2025, the government provided the defendant with a 16-page enterprise letter detailing the racketeering activities and related conduct expected to be presented at trial, acting U.S. Attorney Matthew Podolsky wrote. He argued that these disclosures make it clear that Combs is aware of the charges and can adequately prepare for trial. Beyond the criminal case, Combs faces numerous civil lawsuits from individuals accusing him of assault, abuse, and drugging victims at his notorious freak-off parties. Many of these cases are being handled by attorney Tony Busby, who also represented the woman who accused Combs and Jay-Z of sexual assault at the 2000 MTV VMAs. That lawsuit was withdrawn on February 14th.